Welcome to today's video on the health benefits of using castor oil before going to bed in the dead of night. When the world is asleep, a centuries-old secret works its spell. Have you ever pondered what the ancients knew that we are just now rediscovering? What if I told you there's a golden elixir used by both healers and queens that can improve your health while you sleep? From ancient Egypt's lush landscapes to India's rich soils, castor oil has been treasured for its amazing therapeutic properties. But what makes this age-old treatment essential in your bedtime routine? Imagine waking up with bright skin, gorgeous locks, and a refreshed body, all thanks to a few drops of this mystical oil. How and what are these mysterious, time-tested benefits? Stay tuned as we learn about the tremendous health benefits of taking castor oil before bedtime. Benefits of ancient beauty secrets. We're going deep into the center of this powerful potion. Prepare to be astounded by what a little oil can do for you as we expose the secrets hidden in the hushed whispers of history. Don't lose out on maximizing the effectiveness of your nightly routine. Just a reminder that the information in this video is intended to be educational only and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please keep in mind that all of the content on this website has been verified by a team of experienced researchers. Okay, now we'll look at the health benefits of using castor oil at night. Improve skin health. Starting with the first one. Castor oil for skin health before bed is more than just an old wives' tale. There is science behind it. Castor oil contains oleic acid, a unique fatty acid that thoroughly moisturizes and has been proved to reduce inflammation, which can cause a variety of skin disorders. This is critical because healthy skin requires moisture and little irritation to maintain its barrier and appearance. Castor oil has other useful components besides oleic acid, such as linoleic and stearic acids. These components work together to promote skin hydration, suppleness, and healing. A study published in the Molecules in 2022 shown how these fatty acids can improve skin condition by increasing moisture and encouraging barrier restoration. By applying castor oil to your skin before bed, you give these compounds enough time to penetrate deeply and work their magic while you sleep. As a result, you may notice that your skin feels more supple when you wake up, looks healthier, and is more resistant to the weather and aging. It's a simple, natural method to improve your skincare regimen with minimal effort. Next, number 2 promotes hair growth. When it comes to promoting hair growth, castor oil is a game changer, and there is intriguing science to explain why it works so well. Oleic acid, the active ingredient in castor oil, is at the heart of its hair advantages. When administered, this sort of fatty acid improves circulation to the scalp. This increased blood supply can stimulate dormant hair follicles, potentially resulting in thicker and more stronger hair growth. Furthermore, castor oil contains omega-9 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy hair. These fatty acids nourish the scalp and strengthen the roots, reducing hair breakage and loss. It's similar to administering vitamins to your hair every night. It needs to become stronger and healthier. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that using castor oil to the scalp helps to seal in moisture, combating dryness while making your hair appear shinier and feel softer. This is especially important because dry scalps frequently cause dandruff and other problems that might impair hair development. By including castor oil into your nighttime routine, you're not just applying an oil, you're starting a process that could result in visibly fuller, thicker hair. Remember that consistency is crucial. Regular use along with patience can bring out the best in your hair, demonstrating the care you put into it. Next, use castor oil as a natural laxative before going to bed. This is an age-old cure with roots in traditional medicine. But what makes it function besides oleic acid? Castor oil has a complex combination of beneficial chemicals, including oleic, linoleic, and linoleic acids. These fatty acids complement oleic acid's function, enhancing its laxative impact by promoting smooth muscle spasms in the intestine. This arrangement provides a mild push through the digestive system. A 2016 study published in Lipid Insights demonstrates how these chemicals work together to activate the intestines when castor oil enters the small intestine. It causes the secretion of prostaglandins, which leads to increased intestinal motility and, ultimately, bowel motions. This effect makes consuming castor oil before bed a wise decision, allowing it to operate throughout the night and provide a natural cleaning in the morning. It's fascinating to see how science continues to validate this natural oil that has been utilized for millennia. The synergy of its constituents provides a gentle yet efficient approach to constipation relief, making it a popular natural remedy. Next, number 4. Improve your sleep. The fascinating process of discovering how castor oil aids sleep unfolds through its less disgusting chemical ingredients, including oleic acid and allan acid. Castor oil contains an important component. It is known for its relaxing effects, which induce a relaxed state that leads to better sleep. When you massage castor oil into your skin or scalp before bedtime, you are not only feeding your body, you're also performing a routine that signals your brain to relax, preparing you for a good night's sleep. By including castor oil into your evening ritual, you are tapping into centuries of wisdom, which is supported by recent science. It's a simple yet effective technique to improve your sleep quality, demonstrating the value of natural therapies in our life. Next, number 5. Antibacterial effects of castor oil. Its antimicrobial properties are remarkable, and it is all due to its unusual chemical makeup, which goes beyond the well-known oleic acid. Castor oil has other chemicals that improve its infection-fighting capabilities. For example, deic acid, a derivative of oleic acid, has powerful antifungal activities, particularly against candida infections, according to a study published in the journal Antimicrobial Agents in Chemotherapy. This makes it an excellent ally for dealing with circumstances similar to those experienced by sportsmen, right before you retire for the night. Furthermore, the oil's capacity to damage bacterial and fungal cell membranes means it not only combats present infections, but also prevents future ones. Consider applying castor oil to your skin before bed to provide a protective barrier against microscopic invaders while you sleep. This holistic method to preventing microbial illnesses is similar to having a nightly guard for the health of your skin based on scientific data, demonstrates the efficacy of natural therapies when supported by current research. Next, number 6. Improves immunological function. Castor oil's power lies in its capacity to boost our body's defense system. This natural oil, which contains unique components in addition to ricin oleic acid, plays an important function in immune boosting. Castor oil stimulates the formation of lymphocytes, the body's primary defenses against diseases and poisons. Castor oil's supporting action on the lymphatic system allows these white blood cells to move more efficiently, thereby providing your immune system a tune-up while you sleep. The research was recognized in the Compendium of Crop Genome Design for Nutraceuticals. 2023 has shown that regular use of castor oil can result in a large increase in lymphocyte production. This is critical since these cells are essential to your body's ability to fight off infections and disorders. It's like having an army of health guardians that gets stronger with each castor application. So by including castor oil into your bedtime routine, you aren't just looking for cosmetic benefits. You are actively fortifying your body's internal defensive system, making it more resilient to threats. Next, number 7. Decreases acne. When we talk about using castor oil to treat acne, we're talking about a natural therapy with a particular makeup that goes beyond oleic acid. Castor oil has other helpful chemicals such as linoleic acid. Oleic acid and vitamin E both play a function in skincare. Linoleic acid, for example, promotes the skin's barrier function and lowers inflammation. Oleic acid, a critical ingredient in acne development, helps to keep skin supple and hydrated, reducing dryness, which can cause acne. Furthermore, vitamin E is an antioxidant that promotes skin healing and decreases scarring, which is essential for those recuperating from acne breakouts. A study published in Antibiotics 2023 demonstrated how the chemicals in castor oil can greatly reduce inflammation and bacterial growth on the skin, resulting in less acne breakouts. By applying castor oil before bed, you allow these components enough time to work their magic on your skin, potentially waking up with a calmer, clearer complexion. This study highlights castor oil's potential as a beneficial natural treatment for acne, providing a gentler alternative to harsh chemical therapies. Next, number 8. Healing of wounds. Healing wounds is a complex process, and castor oil can play an important role in it. Aside from oleic acid, castor oil includes various chemicals, including oleic acid, which has antifungal qualities, and linoleic acid, which helps to hydrate and protect the skin barrier. When applied to wounds, castor oil can produce a moist environment, facilitating speedier healing and preventing the lesion from drying out and scabbing prematurely. A study published in the Molecules in 2018 showed how castor oil-specific makeup promotes the formation of healthy tissue, lowering the risk of scarring. The study found that castor oil's anti-inflammatory characteristics help to reduce swelling and pain around the wound, making the healing process more comfortable. Furthermore, castor oil's capacity to permeate deeper layers of the skin allows it to provide therapeutic effects where they are most required, stimulating tissue growth from inside. This makes it an ideal natural cure for minor cuts, abrasions, and even more serious wounds, as it promotes the body's healing process in a gentle yet efficient manner. The 9th step is to moisturize dry lips. Castor oil is a little-known secret for hydrating chapped lips. Its key is the distinct composition of fatty acids, particularly oleic acid. This is not simply another chemical, it is a powerful hydrator. This fatty acid acts by attracting moisture to the skin. Lock it in to prevent dryness and keep your lips soft and supple. Castor oil penetrates deep into the skin layers, giving long-lasting moisture. Castor oil also contains vitamin E, a potent antioxidant with skin-healing qualities. This vitamin is effective at repairing and protecting the sensitive skin on your lips from environmental harm. Consider it a shield that keeps evil things out, while allowing good things in. Castor oil's effectiveness stems from its ability to provide both